You want something, you've desired it for a long time, and then you go to someone, maybe a friend or a colleague, and share it with them. But the reply you got was like, it's impossible. Maybe they were your parents or some authority figure that told you that it is impossible in this lifetime to get what you want. Listening to them made you furious, but after a while, they pointed out some reasons why they were saying so. You internalized it and created a limitation for yourself. It was as if you had imprisoned yourself in a cage, and you could only fly as high as the cage ceiling. Does it sound like your story? Has this happened to you in the past? Well, worry no more. I am here, and today I will break this limitation of yours by telling you a very simple statement. When you meditate upon this one statement, you will realize that people in your external reality, or even your external reality, do not matter when manifesting your desire. I know it is painful to hear things like, you cannot have it or you cannot do it. Sometimes this happens to us, and it becomes even more painful when it comes from an authority figure. An authority figure once told me that I was not talented enough. I have no skill whatsoever. Also, one time I wrote an income goal on a piece of paper, and it was lying on my desk, and a person read it. Later, one more person came, and we three were having a conversation. The conversation took the route of income goals, and the person who read my goal was asking the other person how much he was earning. And that person was earning 1/5 of what I wrote on paper. So, the first person said indirectly to me that earning that amount of money is not possible at this age or time, or we should slowly climb the corporate ladder. Money is not everything, and all that. I knew why that person was saying this, and I smiled at him. After that episode, I got a client for my business who gave me almost the salary of that person for just a 4-hour work. And after that, I hit my income goal consistently every month. Now that person wonders how much I am earning, and I never tell my income exactly. After all of this episode, one thing struck my mind, and it made me relax and calm with every desire I have. I felt easy because I knew I could have everything I wanted. I can summarize my realization in this one single statement. The statement I was talking about at the start of this video, and that is, other people only speak of their limitations to you, and these people are the ones you pushed out. Also, these limitations are your own. That's why people reflect them back to you. You live and manifest among those who match those limitations, or, as I say, those states of being. These constraints shift as you change internally. When you identify with something, it is also a limitation. Being a billionaire is also a limitation when thinking about a trillionaire, and on it goes. At least, choose your limitations wisely. Cry in a Bentley rather than a Toyota. You change things, you manifest better things. Your environment changes, and people around you experience that and reflect it back to you as now they are aware that things can happen. But if you get a desire and start talking about it to everyone without changing your state of being, others will only reflect your previous state of being. They will show you where you are and how far you are from your desire. Some people who are unaware and live with these limitations will always see themselves as separate from your desire. They will live in it and then pass on this limitation to the next generation, and it will all go on unless you decide to change it right now. So, stop getting mad at the people who are telling you that you cannot have that thing you desire. They are just reflecting back to you what you believe. Take it as feedback and smile. Say it in your head, baby, it will change in no time, instead of debating with them about how they can say that. Live from the end state of having your desire. Make it your dominant state, and see how people will change rapidly. As you change those assumptions, you will notice that a new sense of confidence emanates from you. You know you will make it happen. Don't be concerned about others when manifesting. No one knows what you are imagining right now. No one sees what you see internally. Only you are the sculptor that will make that beautiful art piece, and other people will witness it and tell you how they believed in you and how they knew you could do it. You create your own experience. You create your own feelings. Some people trigger those feelings, but still, at the end of the day, you are creating those feelings. No one is creating those feelings within you. You have free will to choose what happens to you. So, stop choosing hate, anger, and distrust. Start by choosing love, respect, joy, and everything else. Write your desire on the piece of paper, and affirm that you are enjoying it. Close your eyes and experience it happening right now. I am not asking you to say every single second that you can see it in your physical reality. I am just asking you to close your eyes whenever you are affirming or imagining something. I am asking you to experience it within you, as it has benefited me and can benefit you too. I hope this has provided you with the clarity you were looking for. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.